What if I told you that you could start making money today with no experience, no investment, and almost zero effort? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I just got my hands on something called the Emergency Income Kit, and trust me, this thing is insane. This kit has 28 easy ways to generate money, some of which literally pay you for doing things you already do, like being connected to the internet, listening to music, or even taking a walk. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what the Emergency Income Kit is, how it works, and whether it actually lives up to the hype. So what exactly is the Emergency Income Kit? Well, it's not a business, it's not an MLM, and it is definitely not one of those overcomplicated money-making online schemes. Instead, it's a collection of 28 simple yet effective money-making methods that literally anyone can do. No skills, no budget, and no website. According to the creators Tom E. and Jono, these methods are designed for absolute beginners and can be started within 10 minutes or less. And the best part, some of these methods can make you money passively, meaning you can literally earn while you sleep. The process is very, very simple. Here's how it works. Go grab the link in the description of this video and click on it right now. It's available for a massive 90% discount. It's $10 instead of $97. And then pick a method. Inside you will find 28 proven ways to make money. So just pick one that suits you. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Each method comes with detailed instructions, so you just follow along and start seeing results as soon as today. And then of course you cash out. Once you start, you can stack multiple methods to increase your earnings and even turn some of them into passive income streams. Okay, so let's talk about what I personally love about the Emergency Income Kit. First, it's beginner friendly. No tech skills, no complicated setups, just follow the steps. And second, fast results. Many of these methods work immediately without waiting weeks or months. And also on the third place, there is no risk. There is a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you got a full refund. And of course there is the lifetime support. If you ever get stuck, help is just an email away. Now before you rush and grab your copy, here is what you need to know. This is not a get rich quick scheme. You won't be making millions overnight. However, if you're looking for an easy, legit way to generate extra income quickly, this is the perfect option for you. So, do I recommend the Emergency Income Kit? Absolutely. For less than $10, you're getting 28 different income methods, some of which require zero effort to start making money. If you need a fast, easy way and legit way to earn extra cash, then this is a no-brainer. And it is a special offer. Actually, right now, you can grab the Emergency Income Kit for less than $10 instead of $97. But I don't know how long this deal will last. So if you're interested, click the link below this video or below this page and go grab your copy as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future reviews on legit ways to make money online. Now bonus time. If you grab the offer from the link below this video, you will get free access automatically. You will get free access to this offer here, which is exclusive private label rights to 10 high converting capture pages that you can use instantly. If you are doing affiliate marketing or list building, you will have access to these awesome landing pages or capture pages that you can use, and you can also resell and you can give away for free. It's up to you. You own them. You get them for free. You can use them in your campaigns, and you can also use them as a lead magnet to build your email list. I'm selling them right now for $10 on Warrior Plus, but you will be getting instant access to them for free if you grab the emergency income kit from the link below. The second bonus I'm offering you when you grab the offer from the link below this video is this amazing ebook and done for you funnel. Learn how to build an irresistible offer. So there is here a valuable ebook that you can use to build an irresistible offer, captivate, engage, and convert. And you will also get a done for you funnel. As you can see right here, this is the capture page that goes with that ebook, and there is a second capture page if you want to build a big email list by giving away this ebook here. You can do that by accessing this bonus here when you grab the emergency income kit offer from the link below this video. This bonus alone is being sold on Warrior Plus for $8. So just by buying a $10 offer, you will get 2 other bonuses worth like $18. So this is it, guys, for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on my next review video.